Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner with our English video today. We are starting our section of beginning English lessons in food and drinks. Today we're going to go into food and we're going to do types of foods. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy, and let's go ahead and get into English practice, types of food.
Fruit. Vegetables. Meat. Fish. Dairy. Fruit.
Fruit.
Meat.
Meat.
Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Fish.
Fish.
Dairy.
Dairy. Meat.
E.
Meat.
Fish.
E. Sh.
Fish.
Dairy.
D. Air. E.
Dairy. Fruit. Vegetables. Meat. Vegetables. Fish. Fruit. Dairy.
Fruit.
Fruit. Fish.
Meat.
Dairy. Meat.
Vegetables.
Fruit. Vegetables. Fruit.
Fruit.
Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Fish.
Fish.
Dairy.
Dairy.
Meat.
Meat.
Fruit. Vegetables. Meat. Dairy. Fish.
Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Meat.
Meat.
Fish.
Fish.
Dairy.
Dairy.
Fruit.
Fruit. Dairy. Meat. Fruit. Fish. Vegetables.
So that is types of food. For our English practice, next week we'll go into meals. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring. Thank you for joining me for our beginning English practice. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe and share it with someone that might benefit from it. Thank you and have a wonderful rest of your day.